Hi, good morning. In today's session, we're going to discuss about SCD types. In SCD types, we're going to see today is type 3. Slowly changing dimensions, type 3. Okay. In type 3, just you can able to preserve the partial history. We can able to preserve only the partial history. If you want to preserve the full history and versions, you can go for SCD type 2. But in SCD type 3, can able to preserve only the partial histories. Now, I'm going to give an example, then you can able to understand everything. It will be clear for you. Customer key, name, and state we have. Customer key is 1001. Name is Christiana. State is Illinois. Okay, these are the records I have. Now, the client is saying to us, you just go and implement the SC type 3. Okay, you already know S3 type 3 will mean only the partial history. Partial means not, I can say like you can't keep the complete history. Okay, only a finite number of versions you can able to maintain. Okay, only a finite numbers of versions you can maintain. But in SC type 2, you can keep n number of versions. Okay, version 1 to version 10, 20, 30, 100. Infinite number of versions also you can able to maintain. But in SC type 3, only a finite number of versions you can maintain in SC type 3. Now, what I'm trying to do here is just I'll take the state column. Okay, now it's Illinois. Okay, if I want to, this guy, the customer is changing a state from one state to another state. Now he is moving from Illinois to New York. Okay, but the I want to implement SC type 3. I want to maintain the previous history and then current history as well. Current value, not history, current value and previous history I want to maintain. In SC type 3, what we will do, right? We will maintain one more column called previous state. Previous state. Now, what happens in the previous state? Initially, we have the value called null. What value have in previous state? We have
null, sir.
Null value. If someone is updating the state from Illinois to New York, what will happen? In the state, you can able to see the current value is New York. This Illinois will move into
Previous state.
Previous state. That's it. This is how you can able to maintain only a finite number of versions in the SC type 3. Now I keeping name. Okay, name is one of the attribute in the table. I go on to maintain the history for the name. Okay, now I'm going to maintain two columns, name and previous name. Previous name. Now someone will try to update the names, right? In our database or PAN database, they will try to update the names. Okay, I going to maintain one more additional column called previous name. If someone is updating the name in the staging table from Cristiano to Ronaldo, the Ronaldo will come as a current value in the name column. The Cristiano will go to previous name column. Previous name column. This is how you can maintain the versions in the SC type 3. Now, you can have one question. Okay, can I, for example, if I want to maintain some state, you saying to me is I want to maintain an additional column. If I want to maintain two states means this customer is moving to New York. Okay, moving to New York, and then like he's moving to another state called Amsterdam. Okay, like this, keep on moving the states. At the time, what I can do is I can maintain two more additional columns, previous state 1 and previous state 2. Previous state 1 and previous state 2. If he's moving from Illinois to New York will come here, Illinois will come to the previous state 1. Suddenly that guy is going to Amsterdam. The Amsterdam is going to come here, and then previous state 1, New York will be there. In previous state 2, Illinois will be there. This is how you can be able to maintain the versions. Now, you might have a question. If I want, if the table is frequently updating for a particular attribute. The state is keep on updating. We keep on updating from New York, Illinois, Amsterdam. They keep on updating states. Now, what we have to do, right? Every time we have to add one additional column. If your dimension table having petabytes of records, if you want to keep an additional column, what statement will you use? You'll use the alter statement. You'll use the alter statement. Though your dimension table having petabytes of records, if you use alter statement, what will happen? It's going to create additional new column for you. Definitely, it's going to impact the performance of your table. Got it? Chandamal and Sujita Priya. Though your dimension table having petabytes of records, you want to add any additional column, you go for alter statement. Every time you want to create one new column because you want to maintain the previous state of the previous state. Previous state means you want to maintain some histories. That's why creating more additional columns. If you keep on creating additional column, what happens? It is going to impact your performance as well as the structure of table gets changed, right? Structure of table gets changed. Sujita Priya, I'm asking you whether the structure of table change or not. If I try to implement SCD type 3.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the structure of table gets changed. The structure of table might be complex. Okay, if you keep on maintaining the versions, right? Every time you want to create an additional column, that is one of the drawback. If you're going to create a new additional column, that's going to impact the performance as well as the table structure gets changed. Okay, for you can. That's why I'm saying only a finite versions only you can go for SCD type 3. In real-time use cases, most of companies, they won't prefer SCD type 3. Okay, now I'll give an example to you guys. This is a example. Now you can see, right, customer key, name, state. These are the staging tables. These are the staging tables. Now, in type 3 dimension table, we're going to have, what we're going to have? Customer key going to have, name we're going to have, and then we're going to have two columns. What are two columns we have?
Original state and current state.
What is original state and current state? Okay, original state will have the current value. Okay, and the current state will have the, original state means, I made a mistake, guys. Original state means what happened, right? This Illinois will move to the original state. Okay, and then the New York will come to the current state. Okay, initial, what's the state value will be there, right? That will move to the original state. And then the current state will hold the current value and the effective date. When it's got changed, that the effective value will be there. Now, I'm updating that state 5 times. Illinois this question for Anand and Sujita Priya. I'm updating the state column in the staging table. Illinois, New York, Amsterdam, okay, and then Amsburg. Okay, Amsburg, I'm keep on changing the states in the staging table. But in SCD type 3 dimension table, I have only 2 columns. That is the original state and current state. Now, if I keep on updating in the staging table, whether I can able to preserve all the history, SCD type 3?
No, sir.
What will happen? That's your question. I'm not asking yes or no. I'm asking the answer.
So the only last update.
What happens, right? If I keep on updating the information, right, from Illinois to New York, Amsterdam, Amsburg, if I keep on updating states, right, what will happen? I have 2 columns in the type 3 dimension table. It will keep on overwriting the values. It can able to hold only 2 values, original state and current state. Okay. Now what will happen? Finally, in the original state, Amsterdam will be there. Current state, Amsburg will be there. The Illinois and the New York information will be lost. Got it? Satish. Illinois and New York will be lost. Finally, in the original state, like Amsburg will be there. And then current state, original state, right? Amsterdam will be there. Current state, Amsburg will be there. Okay, this is how I have. the remaining information will be lost because I'm shifting the value, right? You're seeing, right? I'm shifting the value from Illinois will go to the original state, and then New York will come to the current state. And then if I update in SCD table, again what will happen, right? Amsterdam will move to the current state, and then original state, New York will go. Like this, I'll keep on shifting the values. Okay, now you will lose the more informations in the SCD type 3. Now, if you see the dimension table, you can see the previously staging table was Illinois. I am changing the state as California. California. Now, if you see, right, California. Now you see, right, in the original state, Illinois is there. Current state, what we have? California. When it got changed, 2115 it's got changed. This is how we can able to preserve this tree. Only a finite number of versions you can able to preserve. And then if you keep on updating staging table, right, you can't even preserve the history. You will lose the information. That's another drawback we have. And then third thing is, when you keep on adding new columns, right, what happened? The table structure gets changed. That will going to impact your performance of the table. If you have more columns, definitely it's going to impact the performance of the table. Okay, if you have 1,600 columns, what's going to happen? For each versions, we have made different columns. What's going to happen? It's very complex. The table structure is very complex. Only like name column will go for 2 versions. Versions will have 20 versions, 25 columns we have to create. For name, 2 versions, 2 columns we have to create. And then if, for example, some other column is there means, age means you have to 35 updates coming means 35 columns you have to create. Okay, you can't maintain the table structure. The table structure will keep on increasing. Okay, it will be very complex. That's what I'm saying here is, it's not going to increase the size of table, but it's going to have a complex structure of table because we're going to add new columns. And then it's going to have some part of history. It can't have the full history. It's going to have like partial history going to have. The disadvantages is, if the customer is moving from Christiana to California to New York, what happened? Christiana information will be lost. Okay. And then what the usage is used in rarely used in actual practice. And then if you want to maintain the historical changes only a finite number of times, then you can go for SCD type 3. Guys, it's clear, right? By seeing this table, you can see.
Yes, sir.
It's very clear. Okay. And then if you keep on updating staging table, what happens, right? We have only 2 columns in the SCD type 3. You lose information. And then only a finite number of times you can keep your historical changes. Okay, if you keep on updating this staging table, what happens, right? You lose information. That's it. Now straight away I'm going for demo session for SCD type 3 in Snowflake. Just open your Snow site. Now just choose your database. I'm going to choose the database as a ETL, and then schema is going to be a employee schema. Okay, now I'm going to create the staging table and then dimension tables. If you see here, right, I already have the staging table. Product ID, product name, product category, product description, effective date. You can see the types. Product ID is going to be the joint key for you. Okay, now just create a DDL. Now the DDL got created. I think some space issue is there, I guess. Just once again. I copied from Stack Overflow these tables. Okay, that's why some space issue is there. Just remove the leading white spaces. Yeah. Now I can create a table. Now the table got created. You can see. The next step is I'm going to create a dimension table. In dimension table, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to keep product categories there, right? In source table also, surgeon table also, you can see product category. I'm going to maintain how many versions? Previous product category and then current product category. Sujita Priya, I'm going to maintain two additional columns. Sorry, one additional column. The one additional column contains previous product category and then product category will have the current product category. Got it? And then
Yes, sir.
if you want to make this column, product name column is there, right? If I want to make history, you want to preserve history for product name, what you can do? You can make it as
Previous.
Just open a mouth, guys. I'm asking Anand and Sujita Priya. Because product name I want to preserve the history. Okay, I'm giving one additional column. Just make it as string. Now for two dimension attributes, I want to preserve the history. One is product name, another one is
Product category, sir.
Category. Anand and Sujita Priya, I'm keep on saying your names. You have to answer, guys. Like product name, I have previous product name. Product category, I have previous product category. Okay, I want to maintain the historical information about this two dimension attributes. Okay, good. Now just create your dimension table. It's SCD type 3 dimension table. It's SCD type 3 dimension table. Now everything is good. See, we can able to see like previous product name and product name we have, product category, previous product category we have, and then effective date when it's got updated. When it's got updated, okay, that effective date should be captured. And the current flag you should maintain whether it's active or inactive record. Got it? Active or inactive record. That's what the flag status is. It's a Boolean type, bool type. Now just insert few records in the staging table. Insert few records in the staging table. Okay, now what I'm going to insert is, you can see, guys, insert a staging table. Sendamal, insert staging table, product ID, product name, product category, product description, effective date. Okay, value is going to be a 1, product A, category X, description for product A, and then effective date when it's got created. This record got created, that date will be there. Okay, good. Now I'm going to insert these two records. Now the two records were inserted. Now, Sujita Priya will say how many records will be in the table? How many records will be in this table? Staging table. I'm asking Sujita Priya how many records?
5 records.
We have
2 records.
You said 5 records, right?
Sorry.
How many records will be there?
2 records.
2 records will be there. Now we're going to see 2 records will be there. Okay, this is a staging table. 1, 2 on product A, product B, category X and category Y, description product A, description product B, and then effective date. Okay, good. Now we want to write the merge statement. Okay, I'm not going to write a proc. If you want to create a proc, you can able to create a proc. Okay, as of now, I'm going to write a merge statement. You guys take your use case and create a proc for this SCD type 3. Sendamal, you take an exercise and create a proc for SCD type 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, can anyone help me how to write a merge statement to implement the SCD type 3? Anyone? At least you know syntax, guys, right? Merge statement syntax. Without merge statement, you can't do anything. Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, merge into
Anand, merge into
dimension
table, and then
dimension table name, sir.
who will give the alias?
Alias.
Just give the alias TJT. Next. See, guys, you
Sir.
guys don't know what the most syntax. TGT? Anyone? Sujita, Priya, Sandhamil, Anand? What syntax, guys? Guys, what is the merge statement syntax? Anyone?
Sir, using
Source table.
Using
staging.
what is
Staging.
where source table? Someone said source table. I didn't see any source table here. We have only
Staging table.
Staging table.
Staging table.
And then
Alias name, sir.
alias name. Give SRC. And then
On.
yeah,
On.
you have to give join condition.
Condition.
Product ID is a join key for you. Okay, in staging table we have product key. Dimension table also we have the product key. Okay, now go for TGT dot
Product ID.
product ID equal to
STG dot product ID.
STG. Who say STG? What is my STG?
SRC.
C data. I am not able to see any.
SRC.
SRC is a
SRC.
source. And then product ID. And then
When matched,
when match, that's it. When match, you have to write condition. Okay. Now I'm going to write an additional condition. Okay. After that, I'm going to put then. Okay. What are the additional condition I'm going to put it? Just put and then what I'm going to do is just I want to query the dimension table first. Okay. Yeah. First, I want to query the dimension table. I will show here. No records will be there. Dimension table. Select star from dimension table. Okay. Now, if you look at here, you have the current flag. You have the current flag column here. Now, what I'm going to do is the and condition. I'm going to take TGT dot current flag equal to true. I'm going to check. If it is true, it's active record, inactive record. If it is true, whether it's active record or inactive record.
Sir, active, sir.
Active record. Okay. First, when another record comes in, right, insert happened, right, that will be a active record. Okay. Just I'm checking the current flag equal true or not. Now you might have a question. I don't have any records. Why I put in true here? Okay. Initially, some data will be there in the SCD type 3. I'm not going to put any data now. As of now, I'm keeping the current flag at true. If any new record comes in, the current record will be active. Okay. Any insert happen, the record will be active. Good. Now, and then I check a condition. I'm going to put then. If it is matched, what I have to do? Whether I want to do update or insert. If it is matched, whether I want to do update or insert. Guys, I'm asking you, we have two conditions, when match, when not match. When match means whether you do the insert or update.
Update, sir.
We will do the update. Just update, set. Okay, now what I'm going to do is, if the current flag equal true, and then source product ID and target product ID is matching with the join key condition, then the source table, staging table also have this product information and target table also have the product information. In both tables, we have the product, right? In both tables, we have the
Product info.
product information we have. Now, what I'm going to do is I want to do some update in SC type 3. Okay, for that, I'm using update statement, update set. I want to change the flag as false. Why change the flag as false? Now,
Sir, we are updating, sir. So
we are updating that record should be inactive record now. Okay, make it false. Okay. Yeah, one second, guys. I'm making some mistakes here. I'm checking the current flag. Okay. I made a blunder mistake. Guys. Okay, what mistake I did is I'll remove all these things. If the record is added in the target and source if the record is added in source and target, and then current flag is true, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to write one then condition and going to do the update set. I'm going to change the current flag as
false, sir.
false. And then, comma, I want to change the effective date as well. When it's got updated, right? That date I have to change. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, TGT dot effective date equal to, from where I will get the effective date?
Sir, source. Sir.
Source, I'll get the effective date. Just to take the effective date from the source, because and then make it src dot effective date. This is a mistake I did. Okay, good. And then I'm going to write one more condition. You can write multiple match conditions, guys. Again, I'm going to write one more match condition. When matched and okay. When matched and then I'm going to check target dot current flag equal to false. Current flag equal to false. Now you might have a question. Why I'm making another match condition? Okay. The first match condition, what I'm doing here, I'm checking this flag is true or not. If the staging table and the dimension table will have the record, then definitely the current flag will be
True, sir.
true. And then I'm updating the current flag as false and the effective date equal to source effective date. I'll put into the target effective date. Now it will come to this condition. And when matched, okay, if the product ID of the source table and target table got matched, now we'll come to the second condition and I'm checking the target dot current flag equal to false. Now it will take which record? You have to say. It will take which record will take from the dimension table. Look at the previous match statements, then we can able to understand. Look at the previous statement, then you can able to understand which record will take.
Sir, the previous record will be.
The previous record, we are making the it's false, right? That record will take the target dot current flag equal to false. Because we're making for the active record is false, right? Because some update going to happen. I am checking the same condition again, flag. Whichever flag you are changed to true to false, that record will be come here. Okay. Now, just what I'm doing is I'm going to do the one more update set. What I want to change? What I want to change here? Just I will say here, what I want to change here?
Sir, the previous product name.
Yeah, like we have to change the once again, product name we did, product category I did, right?
Yes,
yeah, the same thing we have to change. Okay. We have to change the product name and then previous product name, product category, previous product category. Okay, everything we have to change. Okay. Now, we want to see a previous product name and then product name and then the previous product category, product description. Okay, everything you have to put it here. Okay. Now, just we're going to put column by column. Then you can able to understand very easily. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is just update set. First, what we have is product name we have, right? We have a product name. Just TGT dot, guys, make it mute. TGT product name equal to what we have to do? TGT product name equal to SRC dot
Product name.
product name, and then put comma, and then write TGT dot, what's the next column, guys? We have
Product categories.
product. Who is it? Product category. We have the
Sorry.
previous
Previous
product name, right?
Yes, sir.
We have the previous product name. Now what I'm going to do is we have the previous product name, right? Okay. This thing you should listen very carefully. Control C and paste it here. Equal to I am putting TGT dot same thing. Sorry, TGT dot which column you have to swap? From which column you have to swap? Which column you have to swap, guys?
Sir, from the previous product name.
Product name is there, right? We have to swap product name from previous product name. Now TGT dot product name. I think Sujita will be able to understand. Okay. Now I am swapping from the target product name to this previous product name. I want to swap the values. Okay. It's a unidirectional swap. Okay. Not a bidirectional swap. It's a unidirectional swap. Now, next one is
Product categories.
Product category, right? Product category. Product category equal to
Source dot product.
correct. Source dot product category. Still the no one opening the mouth. Still the brain on. Okay, next one is previous product category. What we have to mention here?
TGT dot.
TGT dot
Previous product category.
equal to
SRC dot. Previous
Who-
product category.
who said SRC? Still you guys.
Source.
Still you guys not able to understand the concept. That's why I am saying the previous product category should swap from product category, right? We have to swap the value. That's it. How can you say TG dot product category? Only Satish can able to understand this concept. We have to swap the values, okay? Because from one column to another column, we have to swap the values because it's a previous product category, okay? From the current product category, you have to swap the values to previous product category. That's it. Now, next one is product description. Anyone? Product description.
TGT dot.
TG dot equal to
Product description.
equal to
Source dot project.
so the project, right?
Project description, sir.
Product description.
Product description.
And then next one is effective date and current flag, right? Effective date and current flag. Now this thing is a little bit critical. Okay, just to effective date you have to maintain, current flag you have to maintain, right? Effective date you can get from source. We have the source, right? We
Yes,
can
sir.
get it from source. That you can put same thing. Okay, just copy as it is. TGD dot
Effective
equal
date.
to source
SRC
dot
dot.
effective date.
Effective.
Put comma. Next one we have, right? current flag. Now, this is a one. What I want to do is I want to make it true because I'm updating, right? After updating, I want to make again true. For that, directly what we can do is tgt dot equal to
True.
true. That's it. True. This one is completed. Now we have one more condition. What's the condition? When not
Matched.
matched. Wait, guys, I'll check here. When matched and this. Okay, good. We can have a multiple when match conditions. When not matched, you can have multiple conditions. You can have when matched. First time making true and making it false. Achieving the condition true after making false. Once I'm updating everything right, I'm making again true. So they should understood, right? First, the active record will be there. I'm making
Yes, sir.
false and change the effective date. And then what I'm doing is I'm then updating all the values and making it current flag as true. Now, when not matched, what do I do? When not match, we have to write then not match means insert or update.
Sir, insert, sir.
Insert, right? I'm asking you guys when not match means insert or update. Insert only, right?
Yes, sir. Insert only, sir.
Insert only. Yeah. Now just to use insert and take all the columns from here. Okay. Just to surrogate keys, right? Surrogate keys, auto increment column. Okay, leave that part. Just take product ID. And then product name, and then what we have is previous product name. And then product category. And then previous product category. Product description. And then effective date and current flag. Effective date and current flag. And then put values. Okay, what are values I have to put? You guys have to say.
Sir, source dot.
From source dot, correct. Source dot.
Product ID.
Product ID. We can copy from here itself. And then anyone? SRC dot.
Product name.
Product name. Product name.
Previous
and then
product name.
Previous product name. It won't be there, right? How will be in the source? In previous, what you have to give? You have to give
DGT.
What you have to give? You have to give null. Okay. See, guys, it's a new record. We are not doing any updating. Okay. We have taken source, and then source we don't have previous product name. If you see here, right? In source,
Yes,
we don't have any previous product name. That's why giving
Null.
Null. Okay. Now product category. Anyone?
Null, sir.
Product category null, right? Product category is saying null. Product category we have in the source table. You are saying it's null. How we can accept this one? Satish, I'm asking you. Product category is saying null, right? And then what are previous product category? Previous product category. Anyone? Previous product category. What value I have to supply here?
Null, sir.
Null. That's it. Null. And then product description. Product description.
SRC dot product.
SRC dot product
Description.
description. That's it. And then effective date. Effective date.
Sir, SRC dot.
Yeah. Dot effective date. Current flag should be true. Current flag should be, make it uppercase, guys. Okay. Just make it true. That's it. Okay. Everything is completed. Now just run the merge statement. That's it. Okay. Because once you run the merge statement right, in the dimension table, we don't have any records. We don't have any records. This join condition will not work. Okay. Because target, you don't have any product ID. Target, we don't have any product ID. But source, we have product ID, right? Source, we have product ID. I'll query the table and show to you. Source, we have the product ID. You see, right? Product ID 1 and 2 is there. Now, if join key is not matched, which condition will go for? If join key is not matched, which condition will go for? Simple question.
Sir, insert, sir.
It will go for which condition? When not matched, then, right? Now
Yes,
it
sir.
will insert the null values in the previous product category, previous product name. Sorry, 1 second, guys. Just I'll go to the dimension table. Yeah. Once the join condition are matched, we'll go to insert statement, and then a new record will be inserted into this table. Previous product name will be null, and then previous product category will be null. Everything will be null. Okay. Now just insert the records. Sorry, run the merge statement. It's saying that unexpected comma. I don't know where I made a mistake. It's saying that error at line number 7, unexpected. Where I made a mistake. I made some blunder mistake, I guess. I'm making when matched true. Okay. I'm doing the update. Okay. Okay. Everything is good. Guys, I made a blunder mistake. The mistake is, now if you see this condition, right, I'm writing one more match condition. I missed the then. That's it. Okay. Now what we can do is run the merge statement. Now it'll be running. Okay, now you can see number of rows where it's a 2 rows because the dimension table, we don't have any records. Okay, now just query the dimension table. Query the dimension table, select star from dimension table. Now you can able to see the previous product name was null. The product name is product A and product B. Product category is X and Y. Previous product category is null. Okay, why it's getting null? Anyone? Why it's getting null? When I'll get the value here?
Sir, when it's updated in the source table, sir.
When I updated in the staging table, instead of product A, I'm putting some product, right? what will happen is product A will come here and then the new product will come here. Okay, now what I'm going to do is just I want to update. I want to do the update part. What I want to do the update is I want to update in my which table?
Source
Staging,
tables.
staging table.
Oh, sorry, staging tables.
Update staging table set. Now what I'm going to do is product name I'm going to change as product C. Product name equal to what I'm going to change?
Product C, sir.
Product C. Product C I'm going to change where product ID equal to 1. Where product ID equal to, I'll make it uppercase itself. Where product ID equal to 1. And then I'm going to have one more condition as well. Sorry, one more value I'm going to replace. Product category is there, right? I'm going to make it Z. Just product category equal to category
Sets.
category what category
Z.
Z. Now update this value in staging table. Okay, just do one thing, guys, and then use a commit statement. Commit is there, right? Use a commit statement. While updating, right? Is committed. Okay, now everything is good. Now run the merge statement. Run the merge statement. That's it. Later session, you can write a proc for this.
Okay, sir.
Now, can you see number of rows were updated to? No new records, right? Already existing records only updated. Number of rows were updated to. Okay, just to go here and search for the dimension table. Dimension table. Now, if you look at here, see guys, it will take some time. Okay, just will take some time. It will take some time. I don't know what's the problem here. Just it's not updating, right? My product is not updating. My previous product name should come as what it should come? Product C should come. Right, product A should come here. In the product name, product C should come. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what happening, guys? Just to again I'll run one more time. No, I don't know what happened. Just okay. Again, showing number of updated 2. Let's see. Now run the dimension table.
So we have to commit to it.
Yeah, no, just 1 second. Yeah, guys. Now you can see, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
I don't know what happened, guys, there. Okay. Now just you can see previously product A moved to the previous product name. Now the current product is
Product C.
product C, and product category, current product is category Z. Okay, previous product category is category X. Now, if I'm doing the update one more time, I'm making a D. Okay, I'm making a W. If I'm doing the update, what happened to this previous product name? You
Sir,
guys
it
have
will
to
be
answer. You guys have to answer. What happened to the previous product name? What happened to the previous product category?
So both will be lost, sir.
See, this product C will come here and product D will come as a product name. This product A information history will be lost. Okay. As well as if you put product category W will come here, category Z will goes to the previous product category. Now category X historical information will be lost. That's why I said finite number of history only you can maintain in the essay type 3. If you want to give a try, you can give a try like this. Just update it. Now you can see, right? And then just commit it. If you put commit, the transaction will be successfully completed. Okay. Now everything is good. Now run the merge statement again one more time. Okay, now see guys, just once again. Now what happened, guys? Product D came here. Okay, the current product name is product D. Previous product name is product C.
Product C, sir.
What happened to product A? Sujita Priya Anand, what happened to product A? What happened to product A? I'm asking you guys. What happened to product A?
Sir, it will be lost, sir.
Last.
Still not.
And then now we have the category W and Z. We have. What happened to X? Sujita Priya? We have category W and category Z is moved to the previous product category. What happened to category X?
That is also lost, sir.
It also lost. Historical information will lost. That's nothing but SC type 3. You can have n number of columns you can have. What happens, right? If you keep on having n number of columns, your structure of table gets changed. It's going to impact your performance. If you have like millions of records or billions of records you have in the table, it's going to impact the performance of the table. Okay. I hope it's clear, guys. This is a way you can implement the SC type 3.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, we have updated only in the product ID 1 now, sir. How in the product ID 2, the values of product in the product name has been updated, sir. Product B, product B. It should be null, right, sir? In the previous product.
No. See what happened, right? Previously it was null. If you're running the merge statement, what will happen, right? It will take the value from here and put it here. That's why it's written here.
Okay.
Now the product category equal to product category. This product category is there, right? It will take the value from here and put it here. Initially, once the record comes in, the value will be null. Once you run a second time, right, what will happen? It will take the product name and put into the previous product name. Got it?
Got it. Got it.
Okay, that's what it's going like this. Now if you see category Y and category Y. Because first initially null value will be there. Once you run second time, right, it will take the value and put it in the category Y. This is how it works. SC type 3. I'm going to close session right now.